Here we are.
There's even one more level. We can go way up.
Oh, alright. Going up the Bell Tower here.
What time is 11:30? That bell will start ringing.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
No, it's all right.
Oh.
No, I'm worried about the bell ringing. Oh crap. Yeah, it's gonna be 11:30 in a minute. It's only one day. It's not too bad. I just don't want you to freak out tomorrow. It's not really super loud, but okay. It'll just freak you out.
Is there a window? Or you keep going, huh?
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, shoot. So. Oh, dang, bro, it's getting dark. Oh, there's a door here.
Oh, that takes you out. Yeah, go out the door.
Yeah, let me
Sorry, I shouldn't turn the lights on.
unlock it. And come out. Oh. Oh, man. Catwalk. Wow. Okay. Those are big. Yeah. San Francisco. Check it out, there's a Golden Gate. Golden Gate. Wow. San Francisco University. Ignatius Church. Bro, this is cool. Yeah. It's about to bang.
Oh crap.
It's cool. Look at that, the Golden Gate. Nice. Wow. This is awesome, bro. That's what I'm talking about. They go off at 11:30?
Yep.
What time is it? It's 11:29. They're about to go here in a little bit. It's pretty loud.
I think so, buddy.
Oh, here it goes. It's on there. You can use the spin. Hey man, what's up? St. Ignatius Church, San Francisco University. Yeah.
This is awesome.
Bro, it'd be cool to catch that on camera when it comes out. Here it comes. Come on.
I'm just gonna breeze whatever.
Yeah. What do you have to say about this, DeMello? Yeah, isn't that good? Yeah. Oh, there's that one. Here he comes. Oh, they don't ring on this side? Okay, good.
Oh, that's it?
Good. Okay.
I was expecting
Okay.
this thing.
Nice.
Here, 1 o'clock.
Well, that one went out.
I guess this is an hour.
This one's gonna go in, because that one went and then this one went. Just go ahead and ring it, 11:30. There you go, yeah.
Hey, yo, AJ! Oh, that's AJ! AJ! Hey!
AJ!
AJ!
Up.
AJ!
Up.
AJ! AJ!
AJ!
AJ!
Up top!
Look up!
Who's standing on Vince?
Hey! He's gonna take a camera. He's gonna take a picture.
He can't even see us. All right.
Yeah. This is great, bro. All right. See you guys later. Catch you on Flippy Dippy.